Gwenda manjemone kele muno. Ya gazeli gebo bunisi wene gemontinono. Because if you video I watch it now, obere clip video I watch it now. Basalo ndi filani na tray fini megin n'ime ugbo. Imana I don't understand the reason ndi mmadụ ji na-ebe akwa, not only Igbo people, because when it comes to my own state, ndị na-ebe akwa ọfụma bụ ndị Nsụka, and they have been crying since months now, since years, not even months. Then other states now na ha complain about this issue of Fulani men banye n'ime ugbo ha eme ya na kezafia ha gatasisi ugbo ha. At first we were thinking that na ha amali ihe ha na-eme, but it's obvious that na this time around they know what they are doing, because I can't see a reason mmadụ ga-esi kọchacha ugbo, spend the ego, the stress, the ihe nicho ome n'ime spend the ego kọọ ugbo, ịma ịkọ ugbo now n'ime ego n'ọbụ, then akọchazie ya at the end of the day ndị efi achụla efi chụba ya n'ime the kezafia n'ime ugbo emegin wee tasisi abacha n'ịcha dị ebe ahụ. Mgbe ụfọdụ bụrụ ọka ka abanye n'ime atasisi ọka, mgbe ụfọdụ bụrụ, as in I don't just get it. Biko when na-ajụ this government na-asị go into farm business, that is agriculture. What is their intention towards this thing that is happening? What is their plan? Because I don't understand it. Na-achụ ndị mmadụ ka ha baa na agriculture, then ndị na-anọ n'ebe akwa because of ihe ndị Fulani na-eme ha ya na-efi ha. If you watch this video, you feel that now they are clearly doing it purposely. Uwe bụ ha bataziri ka ha zolu ga nobody na ha bata ka ha zolu. Ezo ya agwa na nobody can do me anything. I have the right to do whatever I want to do. Ihe ọbụla ha chi ime ha na-eme ya biye dị ha n'obi now. I can do anything, government will not do anything, and nobody will come after them. That is why they are doing all these things. As you can see, it must seem that now mmadụ be for her na recorded the thing, because ọbụna mmadụ for her na recorded the thing, I gave the person. So they are the one doing the thing, then their brother will be recording them. And another thing, Bona, that there is no way shiburu saw some that these people ji when on na this ugbo na-eme this thing obi aka ha like that. O we ihe n'aka ndị obi, o we ihe kalụ obi. Akwa for this country a na-eme ka fix it's all of fault. Both government, both Aiwa and Achachi, Aiwa biege fix this country. And it's high time people start fighting for this thing kezafia, for their right to, honestly. Owe village oga no, let's assume kita na habata na this na habata village ha na-eme this thing kita rise against them. We will do egbe more go take a law into their hand. We chua these people now wo foye more we fi ha, let's say 3 or 4 or 5. If for somebody abia be making the police see from nowhere be when the mother arrest. It's just like email of recent Basalo Madi 16 Igbo. I'm not saying that notice Igbo are not the ma. But when you actually, according to Iyekuru, that Nahanaga for hunting with Egbe I find the Hanaka. You leave your own state, then go another place, you can hunt, see what happened to your state, and about future na your state, and about future get around. Igeju will happen that place, go another place with Egbe. I don't even know what is giving them the other city. In those things, and government is watching. It's not as if Nahada for this video. They are seeing all these things. They are seeing all these things online, but they decided just to let it go. They decided just not to do anything. It takes their law into your hands now. Abia making attack. Not only that, they will come after you. And if care is not taking a wogi, but all this why Anaha shouts now, immediately these 16 people are baloko. That is when government now came in. That is when police can actually see things online and come and do arrest. But you cannot see ndị na-ebe akwa na protest for something. Look at Nsukka the other day. ha na ebe akwa that na ndị fila na-egbuchego ha na village ha. Not only that, no nwaanyị ha n'ncha abịa rape eme ya anụ aka ezafe dị na ha n'ike were osisi tie ha n'ike. It can only be somebody the heartless and somebody will obi ọjọọ ga-egbu mmadụ bie ga-eme such a thing, because you can't just imeche mmadụ ihe otu ahụ ga wekwere osisi ga tie ya n'ike. Ima the kind of mental this thing the person gonna pass it through, and the governors are not even doing anything. Sometimes that's one day by self I don't just understand them. Even our governors, our eastern governors, I don't just understand them. I thought they are with us, but it's obvious they are just against us. Because imagine how that for this video na gali online basalu this in Nsukka thing. Not only in Nsukka, a lot in Enugu state. The last time I checked, the Bundin Kano, a reverend fathers, if you can hear, I think about 4 years ago or something, a reverend fathers won this Samarian won just know, but that church clear all the people nearby. And up to today, we have not had basically this thing that happened. No arrest, nothing. I just die the matter just like that. Now this one is happening. Government is not doing anything about it. Open and they take your law into their hands. Do you think that these people can stand? You think they can stand? It's because of respect and the nana kwayelu law. Be melundi madiji will have to take law into their hands. No obele nke MLM, 16 people are gone. Obele nke MLM, 16 and ago. So you can imagine obuna ha take is a law into their hands in cable that's everybody portal. Bani mafia ebe mmaha na mpaha na akụ ugbo we na-echekobe ha. You think they can survive? You think they can stand them? No. Na mmadụ gbakwanụ nkịtị abụlọ normally ihe ọ ga-eme. Mmadụ gbalụ nkịtị ọbụlọ normally ihe ọ ga-eme. No just no ugwu nkwanyelu. Anaghị ekwu okwu na ndị gọọmenti were ntị tie na azụ mee ka ha ada n'ihe a na-ekwu. This is high time m ga-eme ihe before this thing I get out of hand. I'm just saying this is my own opinion, and then na-ekwu otu si wee dị m n'obi. Ya gaziere unu, biko ya nụ ya kọọrọ ibia. Share this video, comment, click a like button on your notification. If you have not subscribed na this channel, biko gbaa mbọ ka subscribe on our channel. Ya gaziere unu.